I have
Beautiful.
one more. I have come up with one more question I want to ask. Yeah. So, like, we use perhaps instead of maybe, right? Hello.
Yes, I'm thinking. Okay,
Okay.
continue your question.
Yes.
That's
But like in every situation, I can't use perhaps. So, can you tell me, can you elaborate it in which condition we can use perhaps? Because whenever I search on Google, so I came across like instead of maybe, we can use perhaps. So, but suppose I am saying uh, maybe we can have rain, we might have rain, okay, maybe tomorrow we will have rain, so perhaps we will have rain, so it is some,
perhaps it might rain tomorrow.
perhaps it may rain tomorrow.
Mhm.
So instead of maybe, we can use perhaps in every
Perhaps,
situation.
perhaps, perhaps it's going to rain tomorrow. I'm sorry. Yeah, we
Yeah,
can.
so
It's just that we don't because the usage of maybe is more often. There's so
yes.
many words that have several synonyms, but we don't use all the synonyms because we are used
Mhm.
to using certain words. So you can use them interchangeably, but you don't.
Okay.
Like even in this example that you gave me, perhaps is right. It's not that it sounds incorrect or odd. It
Mhm.
sounds odd to you because we use it lesser.
Okay, okay.
That is the only thing. But you can use perhaps.
Yeah, so I have put perhaps instead of maybe in
Mhm.
some situation, but it was sounding very weird. So I thought I should not use perhaps instead of maybe in every situation. Maybe
Mhm.
there is some rules.
Mhm.
So, and I don't know, like I have to explore more about this concept. So,
Okay, so from what I see, perhaps is more formal and maybe is more casual. This is like the main difference from what I can see in some of the notes. And another difference, perhaps is common in academic writing and maybe is common in conversation. Yes, this is a very significant difference because very often, no, often, quite often, for writings, we have a different language. Some of the we are more polished.
mhm,
Conversation, we don't have time to think so much, so we have casual conversations.
yeah.
So maybe is more with casual conversations, and perhaps is more in the formal tone and
Mhm.
more while writing, but it is a synonym of maybe.
Yeah. So in this situation, suppose I am asking tomorrow is Saturday. So will we have a day off? Okay. So in this condition, if I want to answer, if I want to revert, so can we use perhaps or maybe? If I am not sure, so what should I use? Maybe or perhaps?
Both are again correct.
Okay. So it is
Again, both
it.
are correct.